So, good evening, sir. I have with me Umesh sir from Kirtan and Pandit Chartered Accountants.
It is a legacy firm from more than 70 years.
And we have done the Zoho implementation for them, and we would like to hear the pain points which they were facing and how Zoho and StateWorks were able to solve them.
I'm not going to go into all the details of the pain points, but just in a nutshell, we migrated from Tally to Zoho, and generally everybody is aware, what a very effectively easy package Tally is, particularly to use from the user perspective. So the migration from Tally to Zoho was quite a bit of a challenge for all the people because they were so used to the Tally methodology of working that it didn't become difficult. But with the over a period of time, with the implementation done by StateWorks and with the last 3 or 4 months extensive support given by them for trying to improve the efficiency and effectivity of our people, reduce the concerns and issues and queries that we have, and kind of ensure that the accounting systems are more tightly integrated. The MIS reports that we get are, in the way in which we want, but still using the Zoho functionalities as they were. So, with little bit of customization, but not major customization. I think today we have reached a point where if I could probably say we were on a scale of, let's say, 1 or 1.5 or 2 in January, February, today we would probably have reached a scale of about 7 to 8 at, the stage we are today. So there is a significant change. We would definitely like to see how we can move ahead to a stage of maybe 9 or 9.5, because I can understand that 10 out of 10 I would believe is practically impossible, because I've also worked in SAP and Oracle, and I don't know a single ERP which can give you a 10 out of 10. I think everywhere getting an 8 or a 9 I think would be a very effective or an efficient system that is in operation. Yeah.
Hi, myself Himangi Shigman. I'm working in Kirtan Pandit Chartered Accountant as a manager here and look after all the KP accounts work. We have recently migrated our data from Tally to Zoho, and StateWorks team has supported us very well for the migration process and whatever the customization we needed to drive our financial statement. It was a very nice experience with working with the StateWorks team.